Hi, this is Joy with Upswing Yoga, and today I'm going to share with you one of my personal favorite restorative yoga postures. This is Mountain Brook Pose. One of the reasons I really love this posture is it's very easy to set up. It doesn't really need very complicated props. All you need is a couple blankets. If you don't have nice thick blankets, you can also use towels and just roll them up. For this one, we'll also use a bolster, but again, you can use another rolled blanket instead of the bolster in this one. And so it's very easy to do just about anywhere. If you're traveling, it's easy to just find some blankets, towels, roll them up. And I just find it very helpful for me, especially with neck tension and upper back tension. So let's go ahead and take a look at this posture. We're gonna kind of look at how to set it up and different ways to set it up first, and then I'll do some guided relaxation for you while we're in the posture. So let's go over the props I have here first. I have a bolster, also an eye pillow, which is really nice, a really nice addition when you're doing restorative yoga, and then two blankets here. So again, you can use something else to sub in for the blankets. So I have two blankets, and I'm going to roll one of them. So I'm just going to start at a long edge of the fold here, and I'm going to roll it really just about halfway, and you might adjust how much it's rolled as you're getting into the posture. So I'm going to set that blanket up about where my head would be. And then you're going to take your second blanket and you're going to roll it. Well, it depends on the size of your blanket or your towel, but you want to get it to so that it's maybe about like 2 inches thick from the side. So depending on what the size or thickness of what you're working with, that's about what you want. When you're in this posture, if you feel that there's a strain in your upper back, you might need to have a thickness that's a little less, maybe more like an inch, that you're still feeling some opening but no strain in this posture. So you're going to set up your folded blanket just a couple inches below your top ones. There's about a 4 to 6 inch space here, which is again going to depend on the proportions of your body. So, and then you're going to take your bolster, which you could use a bolster, pillow, rolled up towel or blanket. And you're going to put that's going to lay underneath your knees. I'm going to show you how you're going to look in this posture. So you can go ahead and start to get in, but let me show you here some of the placement of these props. So again, the bolster is going to go underneath the knees. The middle blanket here, it's important that this blanket is going underneath the bottom of your scapula. So if you were to imagine these were your wing blades or your scapula, we want to make sure that the blanket is not on the top, that the blanket is on the bottom of the wing blade, and that the blanket is kind of at the bottom. It's creating a sensation of pulling the wing blade down and in towards your back. So again, blanket covering the bottom half of the wing blade. It should be just about there. So as you get those placed, you're going to lay down, bolster on your knees, second blanket under the bottom half of the scapula, and you may even find that it's helpful once you're on that bottom blanket to use your feet to push your head away from your feet, and that's going to create a pulling action that pulls again those wing blades down and in towards your back, almost like the bottom of your wing blade was scooping in towards your spine. And then you're going to place the rolled towel under your neck. Now again, you can adjust this roll either by rolling it up more or unrolling it, and you want it to just fit the curve of your neck. So you'll know it's too high if your head is tilted like this, the chin below the forehead. You'll know it's too low if your chin is up above the forehead. Ideally, what we're looking for is a height with the roll that feels a comfortable support for the curve of the neck. And ideally from the side, the forehead and the chin should be at about the same level. So You'll set this up. The arms can be out to the side. They could be overhead. You could even place a couple blankets under the arms to help support them in really any position that feels relaxing. Again, in restorative yoga, we're always looking for what creates the most relaxation in your body. So we're looking for complete comfort. A little additional prop that I always love to use during restorative yoga is an eye pillow. And if you have one, you would just simply place that over the eyes. Adds for a lot of extra relaxation. So go ahead and set yourself up in the posture. And then we're going to go ahead and begin to relax. Close your eyes. And tune in to your breath. Just the gentle movement of your breath, a gentle inhale, a slow, gentle exhale. At this point, there's no manipulation or need to change the breath. Just simply observe its gentle movement through your body. And invite your body to relax. Relax the jaw. Relax the chest, let the arms drape towards the floor. Relax the belly, relax your hips. Relax your legs. Now in this posture, we are especially helping to open 3 areas of the body: the throat, the chest, and the belly. Beginning at the throat, just observe your energy there. Maybe swallow a couple times to help relax the throat, relax the tongue, release your jaw. Allow yourself to let go of any unspoken words from the day. And as you continue to relax, sense the head continuing to sink down towards the floor, the neck becoming longer. And then move your awareness down towards your chest or your heart space. Notice the gentle movement as you breathe. Here you can begin to refine your breath. Slowly, gently, the breaths become a little bit longer, but always gentle. And imagine that you are smoothing out the breath. So ironing out any kinks or bumps, smooth, soft, gentle Inhale and exhale. And observe what effect this smooth breath has on the area of the heart space, the area of the chest, the ribs, the lungs. And then continue to move your awareness down towards your belly. Slow, gentle inhale. Slow, gentle exhale. And now sense all three of these areas: the belly, the chest, and the throat. Observe the sense of energy there. Observe the gentle movement along with the breath. And continue to observe here and allow your body to relax deeper. And we'll stay in this posture for about 30 more seconds. And before you begin to move, just observe yourself here in this stillness. Observe, how does it feel to be relaxed? What do you observe? Sensations through the body. How does your body feel in this shape? Let's take one long, slow, deep breath. Just slowly filling up down into the lower ribs and the belly. Big, full inhale, and then a slow, gentle exhalation. And then you'll slowly come out of the posture. Use your feet to slowly kick the bolster out from under your legs. You can gently roll to the side a little bit to pull the blanket out from behind your back. Roll to your back. Lift the blanket out from under your neck. And then come back to lying flat on the floor. Here for a final Shavasana. Eyes closed, continue to relax. So especially when we do restorative yoga, these pauses, these moments of relaxation after the posture can be very powerful. For some, you may feel even more sensation when you come out of the posture than while you were in the posture. Maybe a rush of blood, a feeling of tingling, pulsing, vibration, any number of sensations. Or you may feel not much at all, and that's just fine too. Either way, the posture is continuing to have an effect on the body. And we just want to give the body a couple minutes here to absorb, to rebalance, to incorporate what we just did. And you are welcome to stay in this Shavasana for as long as you need to. Again, take this time to observe, to notice, but also to cherish the care that you're taking of yourself. Again, you can stay here as long as you need to, or you can roll to one side and slowly work your way back up. Thank you for joining me in this posture today. I hope that you found it very effective. I certainly feel a lot more relaxed. Let me know what effect this posture had on your body. I encourage you to do this one frequently even. I often end the day with this posture right before I go to sleep. And feel free to just set a timer. You wouldn't want to do this for more than 20 minutes at a time, but you can certainly work your way up, maybe starting at 10 and incrementally working up to 20 minutes at a time. If you have any questions, comments, leave them below. Other requests or suggestions for yoga-related things that you're looking for, just let me know. You can find out more information about me. If you're interested to work with me, you can check out my website. That's upswingprivateyoga.com. Thank you. Namaste.